Medical equipment aluminum die castings. 5 core requirements to cast a healthy future. 1. Excellence in precision. Sunrise Metal understand the high precision requirements of medical devices. Using advanced Makino machining centers and Zeiss measuring equipment, ensure our die castings achieve micron-level accuracy, perfectly matching your equipment for precise functionality. 2. Tailored solutions. Flexible adaptation. Medical devices come in various shapes and functionalities. Sunrise Metal experienced engineering team provides flexible design and production solutions to meet your unique needs. 3. Consistent quality inside and out. With smooth surfaces, corrosion resistance, and wear resistance, Sunrise Metal offers various surface treatment processes to ensure that die-cast parts meet the high standards of medical devices. For stable and reliable safety first. Medical equipment is critical to life and must be flawless. Sunrise Metal stringent quality control and testing ensure your die-cast parts withstand the test, safeguarding patient health. 5. Standard-based, compliance assured. Sunrise Metal is ISO 13485 certified, strictly adhering to international standards. We provide detailed quality reports, ensuring you can trust the quality of our products with confidence. Sunrise Metal, your trusted partner for medical device aluminum die castings.